The Dext Connect app allows you to combine the speed and accuracy of Dext Prepare with the functionality of your favourite desktop accounting software. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install the Dext Connect app, how to integrate Dext Prepare with Sage 50, and how to review and publish documents to Sage 50. Let's start by downloading the Dext Connect app. In Dext Prepare, click Connections in the sidebar menu and select Integrations. On the next page, click Choose Software, then Sage 50. The next page gives more information about the Dext Connect app, which provides the desktop integration. It is important that you meet the system requirements to install the Dext Connect app, and install it in the correct place as described on this page. There's also fully detailed instructions on Dext Prepare's Help Center. In general, in order to successfully install and use the Dext Connect app with Sage 50, your computer must be Windows 7 or newer with at least 4 GB of RAM. You must be an administrator on your local computer or the server you wish to install the app on. You must have the ability to whitelist Dext Connect on your antivirus or firewall software. You must install the Dext Connect app on the same computer or server that Sage 50 is installed on, and the install location must have a stable internet connection with access to the Sage 50 files when you want to use Dext Prepare. If you use Sage 50 on a remote or virtual desktop environment, please work with your IT team to make sure the Dext Connect app will be online when you need it. You must also have a separate user account set up in Sage 50 to perform the integration with. You'll need one of these users for every Sage 50 client that you want to integrate. Download the Dext Connect installer and double-click it to start the installation. Agree to the license agreement and select the installation folder. This must be on the same computer or server that Sage 50 is installed on. Once Dext Connect is successfully installed, a new user must be created in Sage 50 to perform the integration with. This will allow Dext and Sage 50 to exchange data without running the risk of the connection being disrupted by another user logging in. To create a new user, log into Sage 50 and access the company account that you'd like to connect. Click on Settings, then click Access Rights. Click New and complete the details for your new user, ensuring they have full access. We recommend this new user is called Dext. Click OK when you're finished. Now everything is ready to complete the integration between Dext Prepare and Sage 50. The rest of the process takes place in the Dext Connect app. Open it and log in with the same email address and password as you used to log into the Dext web application. You should log into Dext Connect with a user profile that has access to the largest number of clients that you wish to integrate with Sage 50, as this user must be logged in to allow documents to be published. All the integrations must also be carried out in Dext by this user. If they log out of Dext Connect, the Sage 50 integration will be unavailable. The Dext Connect app contains a list of all your Dext Prepare clients, organised into those that are integrated with desktop software, those that aren't integrated, and those that are integrated with cloud-based software. To integrate your client with a desktop software, click Integrate next to one of your unintegrated clients and select Sage 50. Click the Select Company button and browse to find the folder path of the Sage 50 client file that you wish to integrate. Then click Next. On the next screen, log into Sage 50 using the new user credentials that you created earlier and click Integrate. On the next screen, choose the tax status of this account, including default tax codes, default costs codes, and whether multiple currencies should be published to this account. Click Finish on the next screen and Dext Prepare is successfully integrated with Sage 50. Dext Prepare will pull through categories, suppliers, customers, tax rates, payment accounts, and projects for Sage 50. These can all be seen under the Lists section of the Dext Prepare sidebar and the Integrations section of the Connections menu. Dext will automatically update these lists once per week, but you can manually force the refresh by clicking Sync in the Dext Connect app. This is great if you've added new codes or projects and need to work on them straight away. With Dext Prepare integrated with Sage 50, we're ready to start reviewing and publishing receipts, bills, and invoices.